whenever we see these kind of question, we get anxious and we get nervous how to solve these questions, and we feel that these questions are very lengthy and how can we solve it. But I will tell you some rules and formula, and within that, with the help of that formula, you can solve this question very easily. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Knowledge Circle, and I'm Vinay Jaiswal, and I will teach you how to solve multiple root long question within few seconds. First of all, let's solve it and let's find out the answer, and then I will tell you the formula for it. You can see there under root 5, then another under root is there, and inside one more under root is there. So this 5, we all know that suppose any number is in under root, then we can represent the same number with the number and with the power half. Okay, so what we are going to do, this under root 5 can be written like this: 5 power 1 upon 2, and still there another 5 is there and one more 5 is there. Watch carefully everyone. Okay, and now you can see that what we can write, this 5 power 1 it is, and 5 power 1 upon 2, it will become 5 power 3 upon 2. It becomes 5 power 3 upon 2. And let's remove the root of this also. How to remove this root? We can write like this: 5 power 3 upon 2, and then again we will write here power into 1 upon 2. Okay, so when we do this, what we get? 5 into it, we get 5 power 3 upon 4. 5 power 3 upon 4 we get. And if you want, now let's add it. It will become what? Under root 5 power, it will become 7 upon 4. It becomes 7 upon 4. And let's remove the root again. It will become 5 power 7 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. And it will become 5 power 7 upon 8. So we have solved it in a very long way, but you can see that the answer is 5 power 7 upon 8. Means if it is 3 times, it is coming 7 upon 8. I will tell you the formula to get it. The same process which I did in 6 or 7 steps, that can be done within few seconds. So let's see the formula for it, how I brought this answer. Okay, for this answer what you need to do is, you have to write the value which is given there, and then after the power 2 power n minus 1 upon 2 power n. This is the formula. What was the answer of this question? It was 5 power 7 upon 8. Let's bring this answer. Let's see whether it is coming or not. What is the value here? The value is 5, and power means maybe the number of roots or number of numbers. 1 2 3. So we will write here 2 power 3, then minus 1 upon, again 2 power n means it will be 2 power 3. Let's solve it. 5, 2 power 3, 8. 8 minus 1, 7, and 2 power 3, 8. Did you get the answer? Now you can see previously when I solved it, I solved step by step and it took 1 to 2 minutes to solve it. But if you know the formula, not only you can solve infinite, if suppose 10 times, 20 times, 30 times when the numbers are repeated, the roots are given 20 times. With the help of this formula, you can solve it very easily. Okay, so I'm going to take another example, and I will show you all how to do this. One more example we will have. Okay, let's take this one: 2 power 2 power 2 2 power 2. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5. Put the 2 here, and then 2 power how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. 2 power 5 minus 1 upon 2 power 5. How much it will be? 2. 2 power 5, it will be 32. 32 minus 1, 31, and upon 32. Your answer is what? 2 power 31 upon 32. So with the help of this formula, your task will be easier. Whether if you have to do it 100 times, 1000 times, you can do it easily. So this formula is going to be a life-changing formula for you, and you can do these kind of questions which is based on the geometrical progression that can help you a lot in any kind of exam, whether you are preparing for competitive exams. Okay, it is for given in CBSE and ICSE too. Okay, so let's see if we have any bigger number. The last one, I hope this concept is going to be very clear to you. Suppose it is given 7 under root 7, 7, 7, and it is given 10 times. Suppose it is given 10 times. So what you need to do 10 times it is given 7 and then 2 power 10 minus 1 upon 2 power 10. How to get this answer? 2 power 10 you have to multiply it how many times? How many times we will do? We will do it 10 times. Okay. And when we do it 10 times, what we get? 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 32 2s are, it will be 64, 64 2s are, we will get 128, 128 2s are 256, 256 2s are 512 and 512 2s are 1024. So it will be something like this, 1023 upon 1024. Isn't it easy now? Yes, with the help of this formula you can solve these questions very easily. I hope this video will be fruitful and useful for you all. And if you like it, please subscribe and share. Thank you everyone.